While you're still prompting ChatGPT, 5 AI tools are silently replacing entire departments at Fortune 500 companies. Tool number 3 just eliminated 40% of marketing workflows at Tesla. Upload your meeting notes, emails, and documents, and it builds complete project roadmaps with task assignments and timelines. We're seeing 73% faster project completion rates across teams using this. Second, Claude Artifacts has evolved into a full development environment. You describe an app, it builds it, tests it, and deploys it. No coding required. Indie developers are shipping products 5x faster than traditional development cycles. Third is Perplexity Teams, which has become the Google killer for research. It's not just searching, it's synthesizing information from hundreds of sources and fact-checking in real time. Research tasks that took hours now take minutes. Fourth, the new Cursor AI editor writes, debugs, and refactors code while you type. Senior developers report 40% productivity gains because it handles the repetitive stuff while they focus on architecture. Finally, Superhuman AI now writes, schedules, and manages your entire email workflow. Zero inbox isn't just possible, it's automatic. The productivity gap between AI adopters and everyone else is widening fast. Which of these 5 tools are you testing first? Drop your pick in the comments, and let's see what's working for you.